Hi, welcome to 9 Mountain Avenue in red-hot Somerville, Massachusetts. Today we're going to take a tour of a beautifully modern and updated single family with 3 bedrooms, a 2-car driveway, and a beautiful backyard. Hope you enjoy the tour.
Why buy a condo when you can have your very own single family home and private land all to yourself for the same price or less? Don't miss this Spring Hill updated cottage-style single-family home with 6 rooms, 3 bedrooms, and a bath nestled on a desirable, quiet, almost suburban dead-end street within a very short walking distance to Porter Square, Davis Square, and the new soon-to-be-installed Green Line subway. This is the first single-family home offered for sale in nearly 15 years on this lovely street, and the first time this home has hit the market in nearly 80 years. The foyer area opens to a wonderful living room, a formal dining room, and a new cook's kitchen with new appliances, granite counters, a handy peninsula with bar seating, maple cabinets, new wood floors, and direct access to the large flat rear yard, an unusual and terrific oasis space for city living. The lovely wooden staircase leads you to the second level, which has 3 nice-sized bedrooms with gleaming wood floors and new ceiling fans and also a modern bathroom. The basement offers tons of storage and has a handy laundry area. Recent improvements include a new kitchen, a new brick paver 2-car driveway, new asphalt shingle roof, new exterior and interior painting, refinished wood floors, new ceiling fans, and new light fixtures. All of this and you're within walking distance to over 80 restaurants, cafes, pubs, fabulous shopping, parks, and a vibrant nightlife. Simply move in and relax in this suburban-like home located just minutes to all the city has to offer.
Thanks for taking the tour. I'm Dave Shorey with RE/MAX Destiny and the Shorey Sheehan team. If you'd like a private showing of the property, feel free to call me at 781-962-4028 or check us out on the web at shoreysheehan.com.